Hello and welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discover the types of sentences. Let's start. What are the types of sentences? There are 4 types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. First, what is a declarative sentence? It is a sentence that makes a statement. It tells us something, a fact, or information. It ends always with a period. For example, we watched a movie last night. This sentence told us what did they do. The second type is interrogative. An interrogative sentence is an asking sentence. It ends always with a question mark. For example, can I play with you? Now, what is an imperative sentence? It is a sentence that tells or commands you to do something. It can end with a period as well as an exclamation mark. For example, finish your homework. You are late. Get ready quickly. There is a difference between the two sentences. They both are commanding, but the second one is said like someone is yelling, "You are late, get ready quickly." See? The last type is the exclamatory sentence. It is a sentence that shows excitement or expresses a strong feeling or emotion. It ends always with an exclamation mark. For example, "This ice cream is delicious." We are expressing here how much the ice cream is delicious. After discovering all the types, we are ready now to solve the exercises together. Exercise number 1. Indicate the type of the sentences below. Number 1. Do you like chocolate biscuits? Do you see a hint in this sentence? Question mark, yes. Then what is the type of this sentence? Interrogative sentence, right. Number 2. Come to our party tonight. There is an exclamation mark here, but there is a command in it. We are asking them to come to our party, so it's an imperative sentence. Let's move to the third one. It is cold outside. We are just giving a fact of how the weather is outside. Then this is what? A declarative sentence. Excellent. I will leave the rest for you to solve just to test yourselves better, okay? Now exercise number 2. Change the type of each sentence. Number 1. Was it an easy quiz? We have to change the sentence from an interrogative into declarative sentence. What should we do? We put the subject it in the beginning of the sentence and we move the verb next to it. Then we remove the question mark, which gives us a declarative sentence. It was an easy quiz. Number 2. This is my lovely dog. Here we will change it from a declarative sentence into an exclamatory sentence. So we should show a strong feeling in the way we say it and then add an exclamation mark. It becomes, "This is my lovely dog." See how it sounds? Now this is an exclamatory sentence. Number 3. Will you watch a movie with me? We need to change this sentence from an interrogative into an imperative sentence, which means it has to be a command, not a question. That's why it becomes, "Watch a movie with me." We removed the question mark and we turned it into a command. Number 4. Give me your pencil. This is an imperative sentence and we have to change it into an interrogative sentence. It should be a question with a question mark at the end of it. So it becomes, "Can you give me your pencil?" Great! Now you can check the answer key for a quick review. And this is where our session ends. Thank you and I will see you soon.